What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Instructify video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can play 2v2. So you and your friend versus you and your other friends. So what you have to do first is scroll down. So FC Live, online friends. And you have to go to kickoff. It should be a third option right there. Then once you're at kickoff, what you have to do, you should have other 4 friends. So your other friends gonna go over there, your other friends gonna go over there, other friends gonna go over there, other friends gonna go over there, other friends gonna go over there. So you can fit like 4 person right here if you guys are at the same house. But if you guys are not at the same house, what you have to do is you have to go back again. Just go back to the main menu. Then once you go back to the main menu, once you're back at the main menu, what you have to do is you have to scroll down to the second option. So you have FC Live, then you have online friends. So you just gotta click on that. And then once you're online friends, what you have to do is you have to invite one of your friends. So I go to new on my friends. It was my friend over here. Then once you invite him, what you have to do, you have to make sure your other 2 friends are also in the same lobby, right? Then once you do that, you just got to click on invite. Then once you click on invite, you just have to wait till they join. Then once your friends they join the team, what you have to do is you have to change the teams. So I change the teams right here and just find the team you're gonna play for. Then once you do that, what you have to do is you both have to be ready up. Then once you both ready up, you guys should get into the same game. And that's how you play 2v2 with your other friends on FIFA 24. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.